Hindi lahat ng babae na konti ang kaibigan, lonely. Minsan, she's just secure. Yung babae na maliit lang ang circle, lalo na yung nanay ka, may asawa, may business, may pangarap, hindi ka anti-social. Selective ka lang. Kasi natutunan mo na quality over quantity. Peace over popularity. Growth over gossip. Hindi mo kailangan ng madaming kasama para ma-feel na valuable ka. Hindi mo kailangan ng constant validation para malaman mong enough ka. Busy ka na building your life, raising kids, strengthening your marriage, growing your business, healing your inner wounds. Wala ka ng energy para sa drama, inggitan, comparison, at fake support. You've seen the silent competition. Yung friend na mas masaya kapag nahihirapan ka kesa nung nag-succeed ka. Yung palaging may opinion pero walang genuine support. Kaya ngayon, you choose differently. You choose women who clap when you win. You choose conversations that build, not break. You choose relationships that feel safe, not stressful. At kung minsan mag-isa ka, okay lang because you've learned how to enjoy your own company. You've learned how to validate yourself. You've learned na hindi mo na kailangan ng crowd para maging complete. A small circle doesn't mean a small life. Minsan, it means protected life. So if you see a woman na tahimik lang, low-key, hindi laging present sa gatherings, hindi active sa drama, don't underestimate her. She's not lonely. She's focused. She's disciplined. She's building something. At higit sa lahat, alam niya na ang worth niya hindi nakabase sa dami ng tao sa paligid niya. It's built from within.